Today we are going to learn division in abacus. How to do division in abacus? First we will take one example, okay? 28 divided by 2, okay? Then how do we do on it abacus? So there are some rules. First rule is, this is your dividend and this is your divisor, okay? You know it. And what is the answer? That is your quotient. Okay? Now see, then how to put dividend on abacus? That is the placement of dividend. First you have to count the digits. Okay, how many digits are there? Number of digits in dividend. Okay, that is 2 and 8, two numbers. Okay, and next number of digits in divisor. Okay, it's 1. Okay, then we have to subtract this 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, and there is a rule, another minus 1. Okay, we have to subtract another minus 1. So minus 1, I have taken 1 minus 1, 0. Answer is 0. Okay, then placement of dividend. Placement of dividend starts from 0 rod. 0 means 0 rod. Then which is 0 rod? I will show you. Okay, which is 0 rod? This is our abacus. See here. Okay, this is 1st rod, 2nd rod, 3rd rod, 4th rod. Right side is our first, it is 0 rod. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, I can draw abacus here and I can show you. See, this is your 1st rod. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2nd rod, 3rd rod. Okay, and this is your 0 rod and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. This is your 0 rod. Keep in mind, right side. Okay, and this is your normal ones, 2nd rod, 3rd rod. Okay, now we will start from 0 rod. 28 divided by 2. We have taken this number. Okay, sum. This is 0 rod. I have to start from this rod. 2 plus 28. Okay, I have taken here 28 divided by 2. We have to put to this side. Okay, end of the abacus we have to take divisor. Okay, now 28 divided by 2, and to put quotient we have to say 2's table. 2 ones are 2. Sorry, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Okay, now here 2 ones are 2. Okay, quotient is 1. 2 ones are 2. Quotient is 1. Then where we should put this quotient 1? There are rule. Okay, rule number 1. How many rules are there? There are 2 rules. Rule number 1. If the first digit, this first digit of the dividend is greater than or equal to the divisor, the quotient will jump 1 rod ahead. Okay, 1 rod ahead. Now see, equal to or greater than. Now this is 2 and this is 2. It means it's equal. Okay, so the quotient must jump 1 rod. We have to skip 1 rod. Okay, jump or skip 1 rod. Skip 1 rod. So see, then I put 1 quotient here and I can subtract 2. Okay, now see, 2 4s are 8. Quotient is now 4. or quotient. So see, now this is 8 and this is 2. Okay, our rule is greater than or equal to the divisor. Okay, this is greater than divisor. Okay, so we have to jump again. We have to skip one rod because this is greater than divisor. So this is 4 quotient and I have to subtract 8. What is the answer? 14. 28 divided by 2, it's 14. Is it correct? Yes. 28 divided by 2 is 14. This is our first rule. Okay, greater than and equal to the divisor. Now we will take example of less than the divisor. Okay, 14 divided by 2 we will take. Okay, now see, first where should I put the dividend? Okay, this is 2 digit, minus 1, another minus 1. Okay, it's 0 rod. Okay, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0 rod. Okay, 0 rod is this 1, 4, 14 and divisor 2. Okay, now see, 2, we will say 2 stable till 14. 2 sevens are 14. Okay, quotient is 7. Okay, then where should I put this 7? Okay, see, now see dividend's first number, it's 1 and divisor is 2, then this is less than the divisor. So rule number 2 is that, rule number 2, if the first digit of the dividend is less than the divisor, answer or quotient will be placed very next rod, उसके बाजू के रॉड में, very next rod. Okay, now see, 2 sevens are 14. 1 के बाजू में rod जो है, this is one's rod, we have to take 7 here and subtract 14. What is your answer then? Quotient is 7. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay, this is rule number 2. In division, we have to keep in mind these rules. Okay, first, placement of dividend and placement of quotient. Okay, there are rules in both. Okay, in dividend we have to first count the digits and subtract it, and there is another minus 1 we have to subtract, and the answer, that is the placement, it will start dividends placement. Okay, and placement of quotient, there are 2 rules. First rule is, if the first digit of the dividend is greater than or equal to the divisor, then we have to jump 1 rod ahead. Okay, and second rule, if the first digit of the dividend is less than the divisor, okay, that time we have to put quotient very next rod. Okay, now we will take various sums. Then you can do any type of division sums. Okay, I will take 34 divided by 2. Okay, now see, 34, 30 I am taking from 0 rod, 34. Okay, 34 divided by 2. Okay, now 2 stable I have to say till 3. In 2 stable there is no 3 though. We have to take 2 ones are 2. Then quotient is 1. Okay, then where should I put 1? See, this is 3 and this is 2. This is greater. Then I have to jump. 2 ones are 2 and I have to subtract 2. Now remaining 14. 2 stable till 14. Its 2 sevens are 14. Okay. Now see, this is 2 and this is 1. It's less than the divisor. So I have to put 7 next to this rod. This is 7. And I have to subtract 14. My answer is 17. Is it correct? Yes. 34 divided by 2 is 17. Our quotients placement must be on ones, tens, hundreds and thousands rod. Okay. And placement of dividend you have to take from whichever is the rod comes in calculation. Okay.